Hey guys, Ed here. Today we have this Subaru Crosstrek, and in this quick video I'd like to show you how to check your oil and fluids in this car. So let's start. First thing we're gonna do, we're gonna open the hood, pull the latch, find the latch, pull the latch to the left, raise the hood up, take a stand and secure it. Okay, so let's start. First thing, over here we have our motor, and to check motor oil, first thing what you have to do, you have to warm up the car. In your car you have blue light when the car is cold, so you just warm up the car till the light, the blue light, the blue temperature sign on the dash goes off. That's when your car is ready for driving. Now when you warm it up, the blue light left, you turn off the car, wait 10 minutes, let's say, and then you're gonna check the oil level. Okay, how do we check the oil level? Over here we have engine oil dipstick, and this dipstick will help us to check level and condition of oil. So get a rag, napkin or something to wipe off the oil from dipstick, and let's do this. Okay, so get out the dipstick, wipe it off, and put the dipstick back in. Get it out, and now we're gonna check the reading. So what we have here, okay, so our oil level is up to here, which means, okay, here we have two dots. Okay, this one and this, there are two dots. The oil level should be approximately here in the middle. Okay, if it's here, it's fine, it's not a problem, and even if it's here, it's also not a problem. Okay, so as long as it's somewhere in the middle, it's fine. The oil level, or the color of oil is brownish. Okay, it should be like apple juice color. Okay, or if it's synthetic, it would be more clear. So once you if you see that the oil level is low, okay, it's below two dots, then we're gonna add oil. The cap says we have to add 0W20 oil velocity. So what does it mean? We're gonna go to parts store. If you need to add oil, just gonna ask them for oil. They're gonna ask you which oil you want. You're gonna tell them I need 0W20. So open the cap when you have your oil and pour in some oil. Okay, every time after you pour the oil, I mean, it depends how much you're liking, of course, but put by little, and check oil level. Okay, you don't want to overfill the crankcase. Once you're done, close the lid. This is your air filter, oil filter. Okay, now next thing, the transmission fluid. Okay, transmission fluid in this car, there is no transmission fluid dipstick. I mean, there's no user-friendly transmission dipstick. It is possible to check it, but it's going to be from the bottom. Okay, and since if you're looking at this video, most likely you won't be able to check, not all of you, but most of people won't be able to check oil level in the transmission. Okay, so that's something your mechanic or dealer will do. Here, same thing as with the differential fluid, by the way. Here we have windshield washer fluid. So in case if you are lacking, if you don't have any more windshield washer fluid, you have to add it. Open this cap just like this and pour some in. Okay, just pour in, that's it. Also very simple. Here we have our coolant reservoir. Okay, over here we have full and low signs. Okay, so the fluid should be somewhere in the middle, the antifreeze. Subaru usually have blue antifreeze, just in case. But again, if you don't have any antifreeze, it's better to have it's better to have any antifreeze or water, even water. If it's above freezing temperatures, then don't have the coolant. Okay, because other coolant cools down your engine, and if you're gonna lack coolant, I mean, it's gonna overheat and die. That's it. Yeah, this right here is our radiator cap. You never open radiator cap if the car is hot. I mean, if the car was working up to temperature, up to operating temperature, if you're gonna open this cap, the thing is that the pressure builds inside, the cap is gonna blow off and you're gonna get boiling antifreeze in your face, and you obviously don't want to have that. So don't open this when it's hot. When the car cools down, you can open it, it's gonna be no problem. Next thing, here we have the brake fluid. Okay, so this is the brake fluid. You should have min and max sign here, but usually it's like somewhere here you should have the fluid. It's fine. Okay, keep in mind that brake fluid doesn't evaporate, and if you're missing some, is below minimum, for example, then it means you're leaking somewhere, and it's gonna lead to no brakes. Okay, so keep in mind. This uses DOT3, so there are different oil fluid types. And this one is DOT3, as the cap says. Okay, so just if you have to add, open container, just pour in. Okay, pour in till the limit. And one more thing is the freon. The freon is something actually I would recommend you to leave for your mechanic, because the freon, the AC system is under pressure, and you might damage something in the car if you do it wrong. So that's something better to leave to mechanic. Okay. Power steering fluid. This car doesn't have a power steering fluid because this car has electrical power steering pump. Okay, so that's one less thing to worry about in fluids. Yeah, guys, so this is it. This is pretty much everything you should know about the fluids. Hope this helps. If it does, please press the like button and have a great day. Bye.